Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set field display conditions to show or hide a field dynamically on a form. Field display conditions are settings used to show or hide a field within a form based on conditions. These settings enable fields to interact, creating dynamic forms based on the interaction. Now, I'll show you how to set a field to be dynamically hidden or shown in a form. First, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Then, click on Fields and Forms under the Manage section. Field display conditions can be set for the ticket, contact, and contact group custom fields when adding or editing them. Only users with the Manage Fields and Forms permission assigned to their roles can perform this action. To learn more about how to create a new ticket field, follow the link in the card above or description below. Let's look at setting the field display conditions for the ticket field. First, choose Ticket Fields on the drop-down menu to open the Ticket Fields list page. Then, click the Edit icon next to the existing custom field. In the Field Display Conditions section, choose the conditions that must be met for this field to be displayed on the ticket form. Note the following points when configuring a field display condition. First, you can add a maximum of 5 display conditions, and if multiple conditions are added, they will be considered as end conditions. Second, system fields, like category and type fields, as well as custom fields, can be used within the field display conditions. The supported field types are drop-down single select, drop-down multi-select, yes or no, and checkbox. Third, the field display condition cannot be applied if the mapped parent field is deleted, deactivated, or not added in the form. Additional configurations are required to display the field on the ticket creation form. In the Field Configuration section, enable the Visible while creating the ticket checkbox for the agent and customer portals and ensure that this field and all the fields used in setting conditions are active and added to the ticket forms. Finally, click Update Field to update the changes. To show you the results, I open a ticket creation form, then select the values on the mapped field. You can see that the ticket field is only displayed when the specified conditions are selected. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button. Stay tuned to our channel to watch more BoldDesk tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.